Alrighty, everybody, we are here in the hills, the mountains next to Lytle Creek, the 15 highway somewhere over there. This is the start of the trailhead. I made a video on this place before. I'm here late in the day because I need to get a ride in before it rains like crazy for the rest of the week, so it's pretty rutted out. Haven't been here for a long time. If it gets too hairy, I'm just gonna turn around. So it is currently 2:30. See if we can get this done. If not, I'll see you at the end. Some big ruts. For some reason today it feels like I'm slipping everywhere. Oh yeah, those are some big holes. Look at that. No thanks. That's so awesome. So close to home. Man. Good stuff. Let's just go that way. It's a little wet up here. Oh yeah, it's kind of wet. Whoa! Oh my god! Oh, that was scary. Dude, if the rest of the trail's like that, I don't know if I want to do it. Let's get a good picture right here. Ooh, it's a little windy. Alright, if I remember last time, there was a hole on this part of the trail. Gotta stay left. There it is. Stay left. That was crazy. Whee! Look at those big ruts. Don't go in the air. Okay. Okay, buddy. Again. Let's walk this one. I feel like my best bet is the left side again. I could do the right, but it's a little hairier up there. Look at this. Yeah. Holy cow. Actually, this left side, I need to run up the sidewall like that. The side hill, I mean. This is actually relatively flat on the right. You know what? Last time I did left. Let's try right this time. Just keep it on this hill. Right side. Eyes up. Yeah, let's do it. Let's not chicken out. Oh yeah. Whew. That was nice. Oh man. Stay left. Oh. Left side. Some big old cross ruts. Alright. Oh, I remember this part. This part had some huge rain ruts last time. Okay. Let me take a look. Okay. Holy Jesus. Look at this. We gotta go up that way. Okay. Last time I almost fell off the mountain by going here. I think this time I'm gonna come on this side all the way around and then tackle it uphill like that. That seems to be a safe bet. It's crazy. There's rain damage. Go wide and then up. Oh yeah. Oh, that was some proper incline right there. Oh, it's loose rock. It's like gravel going uphill. Oh yeah. Nice. Man, we're pretty high up. Oh man, that's skinny. Oh, that's deep. Oh, I can't see. Stamp sun. I gotta tilt my head down. The sun's in my eyes. Oh, sharp turn. Oh God. Ride the water, get back up. I don't want to be in that little deep section there. This looks awesome. Look at this. Oh yeah. What do they call this? Mototherapy? That's what this is. Tomorrow I got work. So this is perfect. Oh, we're gonna stay left side. It's not too bad so far. You know, I was expecting some snow melt, so it'll be like a little more wet, but nothing yet. So here's to me not jinxing myself. Gotta go back up again. Going down and up, down and up. Whoa, look at that view. Ooh, going downhill. First gear. Whoa, that is scary. Wow. Look at that. That path goes all the way up that hill, the mountain. Wow. I wonder if that's to Mount Baldy. Oh gosh. Oh man. That was sketch. Oh god. Big rocks. First gear. Woo! Almost lost it there in second. This part's a little rocky and loose. Definitely rocky. Oh man. Let's go up here. Jesus, that was so loose. Whoa. Look at the town below. Oh yeah. Look at that. Looks cool. Pretty little town, little Lytle Creek. Is he a Lytle or a Little or a Light? I don't know. But it keeps going up that way. They get snow in the winter too. Like I said earlier in the video, I wanted to do this trail because it's gonna rain this week and snow with high winds. So I wanted to do this before it's too late to ride. I am pleasantly surprised by the trail. It's not that much worse than when I ran it last time. I forget what month that was. So, not bad. And just like that, we're on pavement. Woo! Yeah, baby. Alrighty. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. I want to do some more travel videos where I at least do 1 or 2 nights away from home. So stay tuned for those. Appreciate you guys for watching. Catch you guys in the next video.